For the demo number 5, about the time dimension, quarter, month, day, year, which is already automatic created when we do the demo to generate the time data in the demo 3. Therefore, we'll skip the demo number 5. And in the next demo, I would like to showing you how to create an analytical data set based on the all sales order fact table, and then to create the association to the book author dimension as well as the time dimension. Let's look at the system. First, we navigate to the business builder again. In our last demo, we have shown how to create a book author dimension. Now in this demo, we're going to create a new analytical data set for the sales order. We will select the all book sales order fact table as the base data entity. And give it a name. Now let's move on to the populate the measures and attribute. We go click measures, and then we click the add source measures. We can select all of them, net amount, quantity, and you also can create add one by one, but it will be much easier if you are already having the source measure defined in the source data entity, and then you can just add them to populate them. Next, navigate to attribute. The same, we're going to choosing all of the attribute from the source sales order fact table. In this case, exclude the net amount and then the quantity. As a result, we have the book ID and order date, order ID as the attribute. Next, we would like to create some association from this sales order fact table. The first one we would like to associate it's associated to the book author dimension, and then it should be from the book ID to the book ID, and then we give a association context and click save, and let's add another one. Now this time we are going to add to associate with the date dimension, and then it's from the order date to the date, and give the name about the association context. Click save again, and then we can just review, make sure you have choose the allow public data sets there will allow the external application to accessing this model. And now let's preview the data. I would like to see the quarter, and then the year, the month from the date dimension, and from the book author dimension, I would like to choose author name, book title, and click OK, and then just quickly review the data. I just sort the order by the order date. Now all looks good to me. I think it's good model. And then now let's mark the status as ready to use and click save.